Hello everyone, welcome to one more session of science with me. Children, today we are continuing the chapter force and energy. Till now, in a previous video, till now we have learned about what is force, effect of the force, okay, and different types of the forces we have learned, and third thing we have learned the advantages and the disadvantages of the friction. Now children, in this video we are going to learn about energy. Okay, now see, the ability to do work is called energy. What is energy? See, the ability to do work is called energy. Children, as you all know, we all get energy by eating food, right? And this energy help us to carry out our daily activities such as playing, studying, dancing, writing, etc. Okay, various types of activities. Okay, now children, there are different forms of energy. Okay, see here that these are the different forms of energy. The first form of energy is the heat energy, second light energy, third mechanical energy, fourth electrical energy, fifth wind energy, sixth sound energy, seventh solar energy, and the eighth one is the geothermal energy. Eighth one is the geothermal energy. Now children, we are going to learn one by one. Okay, now the first form of heat energy. Okay, now heat energy, children, you know, for example, like see, in a burning fuels such as coal, LPG, kerosene oil, what they release when we burn these fuels, they releases some heat energy. What they release? What they releases when we burn the fuels, okay, such as coal, LPG and kerosene, they releases what they releases? They release heat energy. So in a home we use heat energy to cook food. Okay. Now the second one is the light energy. Okay. Now children, see, light energy help us to see things around us. Without light we cannot see anything. Okay, so light energy help us to see different things around us. Okay, devices like electric bulb, lamp, tube light and the candles, these are the some sources of the light energy. Okay, so and you know children, the sun is also one of the biggest source of light energy. Okay, now the third one is the mechanical energy. Okay, now see, energy that an object has because of its position, that is termed as potential energy, and movement or its movements will termed as the kinetic energy. So these two energies, when potential energy and kinetic energy, they mix, they are called the mechanical energy. Now see, for example children, the water stored behind a dam has the potential energy, that is called a potential energy because water is stored there. Okay, and how it will be converted into kinetic energy? When the water will start falling from one height, okay, that will called a kinetic energy. Okay, when it is stored, okay, in till stored position, it is potential energy, and how it is going to be converted into kinetic energy? When it started falling. Okay, that is the when the water will start falls from a height, that is called a kinetic energy. Right, now the fourth one is the electrical energy. Appliances such as children electric bulb, tube light, okay, radio, television, computer and washing machines, what they use electrical energy. If there is no electricity, can these things will run? No. Okay, these appliances, when we are talking about the electric bulb, tube light and the radio, television, computer and washing machine, they run only when there is electricity is in a home. Okay, so they use the electrical energy, okay, to run. So electrical energy is generated, where it is generated? Okay, where this electrical energy is generated? It is generated at the power station. Okay, and it is supplied to our homes. Right, now coming to the fifth one is the wind energy. Okay, so when moving air is called wind. Okay, when the air is moving, that is a wind. Okay, so power of moving, when there is power of moving air, wind is utilized with the help of the windmills to generate the electrical energy, right? Now the children, sound energy. Okay, see children, sound energy. Okay, so, these are the sources of the sound energy. For example, portable audio player, okay, loudspeaker, television, radio. These are the sources of the sound energy. Musical instruments, okay, like musical instruments such as guitar and tabla. What they produce? They also produce sound energy. Okay. Now, seventh one is the solar energy. Okay. Now, see, solar energy, the energy that we get from the sun. Okay. The energy which we are getting from the sun is called a solar energy. And you know, it is used to provide heat, light, hot water and electricity. This solar energy is used to provide, okay, heat, light, hot water and electricity, right? Now come to the last one, that is the geothermal energy. Okay, so this form of energy we get from the, where we are getting, we get the heat of the earth. Okay, the energy which we are getting from the heat of the earth is called a geothermal energy, because heat energy is generated by the earth. Okay, so the energy which is generated, okay, so the heat energy is generated by the earth, that is called the geothermal energy, and geothermal energy is used to generate electricity. Okay, so these are the different forms of energy. We have learned all these 8 forms of energy. Now coming to the, see children, now let's study 2 forms of energy, that is renewable energy and non-renewable energy. Okay, now when we are talking about the renewable energy, and see children, energy that can be renewed or replenished over a long period of time, it is called renewable energy, because this renewable energy we can use for a long period of time. It's not going to finish. Okay, so which we are using for a long period of time, that energy is called renewable energy. For example, the solar energy, wind energy and geothermal energy, these are the examples of the renewable energy, because this energy is not going to finish fast. Okay, now then moving to the next one, that is the non-renewable energy. So children, energy that cannot be renewed or replenished over a long period of time, okay, it is called a non-renewable energy, because this energy we cannot use for a longer time. Okay, for example, energy is obtained from fossil fuels such as coal and petroleum is the non-renewable energy. This energy, when once we use it, going to be finished. Okay, so children, renewable energy is, we use renewable energy rather than non-renewable energy, because that energy we can use over a long period of time. Okay, and this non-renewable energy we cannot use for a long period of time, as one certain time is there, after then that energy is going to finish. Okay.